Cake making has been an incredible creative outlet for me because it combines two of my greatest passions, baking and art. Hi there, I'm Whitney DePauli, the baker, writer, and photographer behind Sugar and Sparrow. In this Domestika course, you'll learn everything you need to know to bake and decorate stunning birthday cakes. We'll start with planning and designing your cake, selecting the perfect ingredients, and gathering the essential tools. I'll share how to make the perfect vanilla cake, a consistent buttercream, and different flavor options for it. Once you know the basics, we'll start crafting the cake. First, building the layers, filling and crumb coating, and then we'll create a smooth buttercream for frosting and add a fun and colorful sprinkle border. After that, I'll share tips for the perfect chocolate ganache strip. Then we'll add buttercream details and make some sprinkle truffles and decorations to present your cake like the artwork it is. To finish, I'll share additional ideas and explain how to cut and preserve your cakes, ensuring they remain fresh and beautiful. By the end of this course, you'll be confident in your ability to create gorgeous birthday cakes that will delight your loved ones. Unlock your creativity and make every celebration a sweet success of your art.